Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to pass NCLEX with UWorld. UWorld is an essential tool for NCLEX preparation, offering a robust question bank designed to simulate the actual exam. Its detailed rationales for every answer, whether right or wrong, are incredibly valuable for learning. You can also track your performance, helping you pinpoint exactly where you need to focus your study efforts. This comprehensive approach builds confidence and knowledge. To maximize your UWorld study, aim to complete at least 75 questions every day. It is crucial to review every single rationale, not just for the questions you missed, but also for those you answered correctly. This deep dive into the explanations solidifies your understanding. Additionally, create custom quizzes to target your specific weak areas, ensuring a focused and efficient study approach. Regularly analyzing your UWorld performance reports is key to identifying knowledge gaps. Pay close attention to areas where your scores are consistently low and prioritize those for focused study. Use the insights from your self-assessment exams to adjust your study plan, ensuring it remains effective. Remember to dedicate extra time to high-yield topics like pharmacology, delegation, and prioritization. As test day approaches, simulate the actual NCLEX environment by taking timed UWorld practice tests. This helps build stamina and manage time effectively. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and a healthy routine in the weeks leading up to the exam. Practice stress reduction techniques to maintain a calm and focused mindset. Trust in your thorough preparation and approach each question thoughtfully and confidently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.